Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine 17.6 pounds Washer Spain Spinner Portable Washing Machine, Blue plus White. This product is not for sale in California. This is our portable mini compact twin tub washing machine, which is easy for you to operate, saving so much time that you don't have to go to a laundromat or wash things by hand in the tub. Large capacity washing tube, place clothing in the wash tub section, rated washing capacity, 11 pounds. Run the rinse cycle for the desired minutes, rated spinner dryer capacity, 6.6 pounds, half of the washing capacity. You may spin twice. Relieve yourself from hand washing this washing machine. Washer timer for 15 min and the spin timer to 5 minutes per load. You could choose the suitable time when washing. Much more freedom and options as opposed to standard washing machines that have pre-programmed settings. Space-saving design, ideal for small loads and delicate. Lightweight and easily movable. Also, the wash motor is powerful. The 300W washing power and 110W spinner power will help you powerful use the item. Compact twin tub washing design, convenient for home use. Have a filter net on the side of the washing barrel, which can easily filter when washing, and you could easily pull it off when cleaning the tube. Have a cover plate when you use the spin tube, can easily put above the cloths and avoid the high-speed throwaway. Easy assemble is required with all hardware packed in the package. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.